This week brings us to the end of the holy month of Ramadan, a 30-day fast practiced by many of the 1.8 billion Muslims living worldwide. The end of the fasting period is celebrated with the feast day of Eid-ul Fitr. Let me, Dr. Hadiza, share with you 5 health tips to help you that are celebrating make the most of the delicious feast. This is just part 1. Make sure to watch the parts 2 and 3 of Health Tips for Eid-ul Fitr. 1. Start your first day without a fast with a small breakfast by eating 1, 3 or 5 odd numbered dates. Do this before your early morning Fajr prayers, as it takes time for the body to adjust to any sudden change in eating habits. So, it's important to start with meals which are not too hard on the digestive system. 2. Thus, because of this, after the Fajr prayers, it is recommended to have something light, such as milk or laban, yogurt, preferably low fat or even zero fat. 3. A moderately light breakfast can follow after this. For example, you can have whole grain breakfast cereals with low fat milk and a banana, or brown toast, whole wheat bread with white low fat cheese or low fat labneh with a sliced tomato. Avoid indulging. This is number 4. Avoid indulging in the feast all at once. It's better to eat little portions at a time rather than filling yourself up all at once to avoid tummy upsets like indigestion, heartburn, and the like. Eating on the go or while watching television are surefire ways to overeat and hinder your body's ability to properly digest what you consume. 5. Eat a balanced diet, say the experts, by making sure you get enough protein, carbohydrates, fresh fruit and vegetables throughout this feasting day to keep your body happy. Please, not just sweets, and more sweets. So keep watching the Medical Information channel for the parts 2 and 3 on more health tips for Eid al-Fitr. I'm Dr. Hadiza, your friendly holistic reconstructive surgeon. Watch more on this fasting playlist and subscribe, like and share the Medical Information channel.